today we're going to work on 70 through 72 in Essential Elements book number 1. Let's get started. So first things first is 70, accent your talent. Today we're talking about accents, and for drummers or for percussionists, that means your stick height is going to vary, okay? Remember, the higher your stick height, the louder your sound, the shorter your stick height, the softer your sound. So we're going to be changing our stick height. But before we do that, we're going to clap and count it all the way through. So while we're clapping and counting, don't forget to strike harder on your accents, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Rest, just like that, okay? Let's try it. 1, 2, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the rim shot. The first thing you need to do is take your left hand stick or your left hand drumstick, and you're going to place the tip at the center of the drum. Then bring your stick down until it hits the rim, and use your right hand to strike 1/3 of the way away from the tip, okay? This makes a really loud sound, and this is going to be our accent. So looking at the very beginning, we've got fan, 2, 3, fan, 2, 3, fan. Rest, and we've got rim shot, rim shot. Those are our accents. Let's try it again. Fan, 2, 3, fan, 2, 3, fan. Now the trick is on the rest, we actually have the bass drum that kind of covers the sound, but you are laying it across the drum, so it might make a sound there. So just try to do that quietly so you can really hear the accent, okay? All right, and we do the same thing for the bottom row of notes. We've got fan, 2, 3, fan, 2, 3, fan. Okay, and then we repeat the whole thing. So this is really fun. We're going to play it at 100 beats per minute. Here we go. Shots are really cool, so I hope you give that a try, and those accents can be really loud. All right, now we're going to move to 72. So at the very top, there is a xylophone melody part, and it's here not only in the xylophone portion of the book, but it's also in the snare part of the book, and that is because you can actually compose your own music for measures 3 and measures 4, and they want you to come up with your own melody. However, when you're playing with the band, they do have a written snare drum part, so we're going to learn that as well. So if you're ready to compose, you might want to go over to the xylophone video and watch that first. Okay, now we're going to clap and count the straight rhythm. So I'm not going to worry about the flans, I'm just going to be worrying about the rhythms that are here. Let's try it. 2, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so we have an 8th rest, and an 8th rest kind of looks like a funny 7 and has a flag just like an 8th note has a flag, okay? This is happening in measure 2, and this happens on beat 3. So that rhythm is in measure 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Okay, that can be a little tricky. All right, let's break this apart measure by measure. We have fan, fan. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we have some flams there. Flams are when you put your one stick higher than the other, right? Okay, now let's look at measure 2. We have that flam and a different rhythm. Okay, we have flam, 2, 3, and 4, and. Measure 3 and measure 1 are the same. And measure 4 is a little different again. And we have actually accents, and they're not rim shot accents, they are accents. So all right. No. All right, so it gets a little bit louder there in beat 3 and 4 of the last measure. Here we go, let's try it just us. So that is the snare part for essential creativity. Now, if you're really wanting to be creative though, write some interesting music for measures 3 and measures 4. Don't forget to even write accents, right? You could put some accents in there, or a rim shot. That would be kind of cool. All right, so I look forward to hearing you play online or at school. Bye, guys.